Why do most of the current software product or service developments rely on the culture of Agile values? How do Agile value system fulfill this? In 2001, a group of software development influencers met to discuss about the future software developments. As a summarize after this event, they came up with a manifesto of Agile with a few values and principles. To be precise, 4 values and 12 Agile principles. Agile Manifesto is a great summary of what Agile is. Agile is a large set of initiatives and an umbrella term of everything that suits the Agile. It is not a rule book as such, nor definition of Agile. Agile Manifesto is a good reference point as a benchmark to proceed further in different aspects of the software development. The 4 values of Agile Manifesto are: the basis of Agile values is the uncovering of better ways of developing software by doing it and helping others to do it. These 4 values are individuals and interactions over processes and tools. The second one, working software over comprehensive documentation. Third, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. And finally, responding to change over following a plan. In all above statements, of course there is a value in items in the right part of the statement, but value of the items in the left is more. This looks conflict on surface, but on deeper sense, the items on the left enhances the development significantly. Also, it is not stating to abandon the items on the right side of the statement, but to realize all those on the left has more value. There are 12 principles in Agile Manifesto. The first 3 principles are about the differences between traditional waterfall approach and the Agile. This is to understand the continuous incremental deliveries are the key for organizational Agile. The next set of 9 principles describe the necessary change in attitudes, cultures, and conventions. Agile is not achievable by only through the tools and processes. The practitioners have to develop the certain Agile mindset and practices to be successful with Agile. There are 12 principles in Agile Manifesto. I'm not going to read out all these principles, but quickly run through the theme of these. The first 3 are like: the highest priority is given to satisfy the customer through early and continuous deliveries. The next, welcome the changing requirements even late in development process. Deliver the working software frequently, even within couple of weeks to couple of months. Welcoming change in requirements, continuous deliveries, and short delivery cycles. All these practices are actually away from traditional waterfall model. This is to understand the continuous incremental deliveries are the key to organizational Agile, or key for organizational Agile. The others are like: business people and developers must work together on a daily basis throughout the project or product. Build the projects around the motivated individuals and support them well. Face-to-face conversation is the most efficient and effective method. The measure of primary progress is how much working software is delivered. A constant and sustainable pace is maintained among the sponsors, developers, and the users. Pay the continuous attention for technical excellence and good design in order to avoid the technical debt. Focus on only essential features. The best outcome emerges from the self-organizing team. And finally, the team should tune and adjust behavior in order to become more effective. The last 9 principles focus on having the team with Agile mindset, cultures, and practices in order to deliver quality software. So these are the list of 12 principles, 12 Agile principles. Now let us see about Agile practices. Actually, practices are not part of the manifesto. Only values and principles are. But the spirit of Agile greatly carried by its practices, like few of them are: collaborate with the customers throughout the development process, building the projects around the motivated people. The team is working together on a daily basis, practicing of the iterative development cycles, managing a healthy product backlog. The spirit of Agile greatly carried by its practices